A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Fine. Yes. My dear students, be happy, be good. Yes, yes. My dear children, please come to the online GK class. In this online GK class, please see new textbook lesson number 7, page number 11. Okay, old one. Lesson number 2, page number 6, amazing birds. Yes, we have different types of birds. Yes, my dear children. Yes, you all are know. Yeah, yes. We have different birds. Yes, my dear. Yes. Yes. Just see crane. Crane are a family, the graduate of large, long-legged and long-necked bird in the group Gloriformes. Yes, my dear? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Now, next, please look at the book. Very different birds are there. Next one, kingfisher. Kingfisher or Isodin the Odi are a family of small to medium sized brightly colored birds in order Coralliformes. Yes, my dear? Yes. They have a cosmopolitan distribution with most species found in the tropical regions of Africa, Asia or Oceania. Yes, my dear children. Like a different birds we have. Yes, my dear? Yes. Crane, kingfisher. Yes or no? Yes. Next one. What, my dear? Say fast. Say fast, dear children. You have no different birds. Yes or no? Yes. When we will see the classes, okay, we have read the different birds. Now just one more bird, ostrich. The common ostrich or simply ostrich is a species of large flightless bird native to certain large areas of Africa. Yes, my dear children. You know that one? Yes. Next, gento penguin. The gento penguin is a penguin species in the genus Physicoceles, most closely related to the Adelie penguin and the Chine star penguin. Yes, my dear? Yes. Different birds we have. Now, please look at the GK book. In this book, second lesson, amazing birds. Seventh lesson, amazing birds means the old textbook, second lesson, new textbook, seventh lesson. Clear, my dear? Yes. My dear children, please look at the book, everyone. Yeah. Now see page number 6. Who am I? I am a bird can pick 20 times per second. Wood picker. Second one, I am the strongest bird of prey able to kill and hunt. Harpy eagle. I am the largest living flightless bird, can stand to a height of 9 feet. Ostrich. Fourth one, I am the smallest bird in the world having weight merely 1.6 grams. humming bird. I am the tallest flying bird. I can stand to a height of almost 6 feet. Crane. I am the most poisonous bird. My feathers contain powerful poison. Which one? Pituyui. Which one? Pituhui. Yes, seventh one. I am the most dangerous bird capable of inflicting fatal injuries. Say, my dear, cassowary. Yeah, eighth one. I have the largest wingspan among the living birds. Answer, albatross. Ninth one. I am the fastest swimming bird. Can swim 40 km per hour. Yeah. Gento penguin. Yes, my dear. Yes. So different birds we have. Yes. Amazing birds. Now see page number 7. Sorry. Page number 11. New textbook. Amazing birds. Amazing birds. Birds are beautiful and attractive living beings having colorful feathers. Yes. Yes or no? Yeah. Name the birds with the help of pictures and clues given below. Yes, my dear? Yes. The most poisonous bird whose feather and skin contain a powerful poison. Hooded Pituyui. Hooded Pituhui. Yes? Yes. Second one. The bird that can swim but cannot fly. Say fast, dear children. Look at the book. The bird that can swim but cannot fly. Gento penguin. Gento penguin. Yeah. Third one. The small, brightly colored bird having a long pointed beak to catch fish. The small, brightly colored bird having a long, pointed beak to catch fish. Kingfisher. Which one, my dear? Kingfisher. Yes. Fourth one. The highest flying bird which can fly up to the height of 37,000 feet. Yes. Which one, my dear? Ruppel's vulture. Ruppel's vulture. Next, fifth one. The most powerful bird of prey which can exert more than 50 kg of pressure to crush the bones of its prey. Harpy eagle. Harpy eagle. Sixth one, my dear. The bird with longest bill of around. The bird with longest bill of around 34 to 47 centimeters long. S. Say fast. Australian pelican. Australian pelican. Seventh one, my dear. The only hibernating bird which remains inactive and hidden in piles of rocks throughout winter. The winter season, yes. Say fast. Common purvill. Common purvill. Yes, my dear? Yes. Last one. Say fast. The heaviest flying bird which can weight up to 19 kgs. The heaviest flying bird which can weight up to 19 kgs. Which one, my dear? Cory bustard. Cory bustard. Yes. So, my dear children, we have different birds. Colorful birds. Beautiful birds. Yes or no, my dear? Yes. Here we have different birds, and in our Indian birds some like a peacock. Yes or no? You like very much, no, my dear? Yes. So like that, so many different birds are there. So my dear children, once again please look in the book. Lesson number 2, old one, amazing birds. Okay, page number 6. And new textbook, lesson number 7, page number 11. I will send you answers also with pics. Okay, dear? Yes. And please write down in your classworks whatever your class teacher said to you. Okay, dear? Yes. Are you understanding, my dear children? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, my dear children. God bless you.